Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called How to Guarantee a Stress-Free Bathroom Remodel. Now, if you've ever thought that remodeling your bathroom feels like wrestling an alligator while blindfolded, you're not alone. But fear not, because today we're turning that potentially hair-pulling adventure into a breezy afternoon stroll. Let's dive into the secret sauce of stress-free bathroom transformations. First things first. Planning. That's right. Solid planning is your best friend here. Remember, a foolproof plan is better than a spontaneous leap into chaos. Start by defining your vision and budget. Make a list, more organized than your grandma's recipe book, of must-have features and wish list items. This clarity ensures you remain on target without derailing faster than a runaway shopping cart. Now let's talk about finding the right team. Hiring the right contractor is crucial, and folks, I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choose someone experienced, honest, and as invested in your vision as you are. Check references, read reviews, and have detailed discussions to ensure you're not just buying talent, but peace of mind. Once you've assembled your dream team, communication becomes key. Regular updates should flow like the smoothest lattes at your favorite cafe. Clear communication helps nip issues in the bud, preventing them from blossoming into full-blown pandemonium. Establish regular check-ins and be proactive. Question misunderstandings sooner rather than later. Material selection is another area where you can preempt stress. Do your research, make decisions early, and ensure materials are ordered well in advance. Nothing stalls a remodel quite like waiting for that special tile to arrive. Treat this process like dinner prep before a party. You wouldn't want to be shopping for groceries an hour before guests arrive, right? Remember, flexibility is your friend. Amidst all the planning, permit yourself some wiggle room. Unexpected bumps are par for the course, but with a backup plan or a buffer in your budget, they'll feel less like a tidal wave and more like a gentle splash. Finally, take a deep breath and visualize the finish line. Imagine relaxing in your new soaking tub or admiring your spa-like sanctuary. Keeping the ultimate goal in sight helps push minor frustrations aside, letting efficiency and excitement reign supreme. So there you have it, a surefire roadmap for turning your bathroom remodel from stress-inducing to sensational. With these tips, you'll wield the power to transform your space while navigating challenges with calm and confidence. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.